Welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In our last videos, as a part of these Python interview questions sequences, we covered up to 47th question. The next question, 48th question, what we have, same swapping program only. How to swap? How to swap two integer values? How to swap two integer values in Python by using bitwise operators. We have bitwise operators are there in Python. By using these bitwise operators also, we can swap integer values. How to do that? This is a bit special logic what we have. So first I will explain the logic. Later we can go for implementation of the program. Coming to the logic, for this we are using exclusive exclusive or operator, which is also called as XR operator, XR operator like this. What is the truth table of this XR? If the first bit is 1, second bit is 1, then the result is nothing but 0, sir. If the first bit is 0, second bit is 0, result is 0. If the first bit is 0, if the first bit is 1, second bit is 0, then result is 1. If the first bit is 0, second bit is 1, result is 1. That means if the bits are in different state, then result is 1. Else result is nothing but 0. Like that we have. And here we can use these bitwise operators to perform. I mean, this bitwise exclusive OR operator to perform swapping of two integer values. Sir, how to do that? I'm taking A is equal to A cap B. Let us assume A and B are nothing but the given two integer values. B is equal to again A cap B. A is equal to again A cap B. Left side, the variable names are going to be changed, but in the right side, the variable names are fixed. Like that we have. Sir, how to do that? First, I will explain diagrammatically how this interchanging is happening. Suppose consider the value of A I am taking as a 5 and the value of B I am taking as a 9. First step, you have to convert this 5 into binary. If you convert this 5 into binary, 8421 code we have to take. If you take this 9, 8421 like this we are going to get. Then only we can perform this cap operation, right? That's why I converted the given numbers into which format? Binary format. Now let us perform cap operation. In the first case, we are taking the value of A, which is nothing but 0101. Then we are taking the value of B, which is nothing but 1001. We are performing which operation? Cap operation. 1 and 1, your result will become 0. 0 and 0, your result will become 0. 1 and 0, your result will become 1. 0, 0, I mean not and 0 exclusive or with 1, result is 1. 1100 is the result. So this is which value? Just now we calculated this value is nothing but A. Okay. We have to update this A value with 1100. Like that we have to take. Sir, first instruction completed. What about second instruction? Take the latest value of A. Which is the latest value of A, sir? Here 1100. Just now we calculated. Take the latest value of B, which is nothing but 1001. Perform same cap operation between these two. 0 cap 1, your result will become 1. 0 cap 0, your result will become 0. 1 cap 0, your result will become 1. 1 cap 1, your result will become 0. Sir, which value we calculated? This will become b, sir. Now your b value is nothing but what? 0 1 0 1. Like this we have. Next, what is the last step? Again a cap b we are taking. Now what is the latest value of a? 1100 is the latest value of a. What is the latest value of b? 0101 is the latest value of b. Now perform cap operation. 0 cap 1, which will become 1. Here it is 0. Here it is 0. Here it is 1. So now what is its value? It is a, right? We have to update that value with 1001. So we performed all the operations, right? Now, what is the decimal equivalent of this? If you take 8421 code, it is nothing but what? 9. Like this we have. Sir, what about, okay, so what about this number? What about this number? If you convert into same by taking 8421 code, what is the number that we are going to get? 4 plus 1, which is nothing but 5. Now you can see, sir, previously it value is 5, now it is 9. Previously it value is 9, now it is 5. Sir, is it interchanging is happening or not? Yes. Now we have to test this code whether it is working properly or not. Let me check. Now to do this, I am taking a simple Python program here. I'm going to read two numbers from the user, like a is equal to int of input, enter a value. B is equal to, I'm taking enter B value. After this, I will print the content like before swapping. Okay, before swapping, the value of A is nothing but A, and the value of B is nothing but we have B. Like that I'm taking. Same thing I want to print after swapping, what are the values? If you take before swapping, we know A value and B value is going to print as it is. Now I'm going to do this operation like A is equal to A cap B, B is equal to A cap B, and A is equal to A cap B. So it is nothing but a swapping, right? Now I want to store this inside test.py file. Let me run this code. Py space test.py I am giving to run the file. It is asking enter A value. A value is 5, B value 9. Not only for these two, you can give a large volume of data also, it is going to work. Even it will work for negative numbers also, no problem. So how you can able to swap two integer values by using exclusive OR operation? It is nothing but a bitwise operator what we have. I think you got some idea how we can able to do this operation. Okay. Thank you, friends.